Welcome to Learn English for Life.
What did you do this week?
I went to school, played with my friends, and did my homework.
What was something fun you did this week?
I went to the park with my family, and we had a picnic. It was so much fun.
What was something you had to do this week that you did not care for?
I had to clean my room, and I did not really like it, but it looks much better now.
Did you see anyone this week that you have not seen for a while?
Yes, I saw my grandma. She came to visit, and I have not seen her in a long time.
Did you go visit anyone this week?
No, we did not visit anyone this week. We stayed home mostly.
Did anyone come to visit your house this week?
Yes, my cousin came over, and we played video games together.
Do you have any exciting stories to tell from the past week?
Well, I learned a new magic trick, and I showed it to my friends. They thought it.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one big sister named Sarah.
Are your brothers and sisters older or younger?
My sister Sarah is older than me.
What are their names?
My sister's name is Sarah.
How do you like being a big little sister brother?
I like being a little brother because Sarah helps me with my homework and plays with me.
What are your parents' names?
My mom's name is Emily, and my dad's name is Mark.
Where does your dad work? What does your dad do for a job?
My dad works at a hospital, and he helps sick people feel better.
Where does your mom work? What does your mom do for a job?
My mom works in an office, and she helps people with their paperwork.
What is your favorite thing to do as a family?
My favorite thing to do as a family is going on hikes together. We love exploring nature.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, we have a dog named Buddy.
What kind of pets do you have?
Buddy is a golden retriever, and he's really friendly.
What are the names of your pets?
Our dog's name is Buddy.
How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
Was your birthday?
My birthday is on July 15th.
What did you do for your last birthday?
For my last birthday, I had a superhero-themed party with my friends. We dressed up as our favorite superheroes, and we had a big cake.
If you could have the perfect birthday party, what would it be?
My perfect birthday party would be at an amusement park with all my friends and lots of roller coasters and games.
What is your favorite food?
I really love pizza. It's so cheesy and delicious.
What is one thing that your mom, dad makes for dinner that you just cannot stand?
I don't like broccoli. It's the one vegetable I don't really enjoy.
What is your favorite kind of ice cream?
My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate chip cookie dough.
What is your favorite kind of candy?
I love gummy bears. They are so chewy and yummy.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. It reminds me of the sky.
What is your favorite zoo animal?
I really like giraffes. They have such long necks, and they are funny to watch.
What is your favorite time of the year?
I love winter because I get to play in the snow and build snowmen.
Is your bedroom decorated? How is it decorated?
Yes, my bedroom is decorated with posters of my favorite superheroes, and I have a cool race car bed.
Do you have to share your bedroom with anyone?
No, I have my own room, so I don't have to share with anyone.
If you could receive one thing in the whole world as a present right now, what would it be?
I would love to have a robot that could do all my homework for me.
What do you want to be when you get older? Why?
I want to be a firefighter because they help save people and put out fires. It sounds exciting and important.
What is the silliest thing you have ever said or done?
One time, I tried to jump off a swing like a superhero, but I ended up falling and getting all dirty. It was pretty silly.
What do you like to spend your allowance on?
I like to save some of my allowance, but I also like buying toys and treats, like action figures and candy.
What's the one thing you don't know how to do to get what you want?
I don't know how to tie my shoelaces very well yet.
Where do you go to school?
Elm Street Elementary School.
What grade are you in?
I'm in third grade.
Do you like the grade you are in more or less than last year?
I like it more than last year because we have more fun activities.
Do you ride the bus to school?
Yes, I ride the bus to school.
What is your teacher's name?
My teacher's name is Mrs. Johnson.
What is your favorite thing to study at school?
My favorite thing to study at school is art.
What are you studying in school right now in math, language arts, science, etc.?
Right now, in math, we are learning about multiplication. In language arts, we are reading a cool book. In science, we are studying animals.
What is your least favorite thing to study?
My least favorite thing to study is history.
Do you have lots of homework to do each night?
Yeah, I usually have some homework each night, but it's not too bad.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah. We do everything together.
What do you like to play at recess?
I love playing tag at recess. It's so much fun.
Do you ever stay home from school sick?
Yeah, I had to stay home sick last month because of a fever.
When was the last time you stayed home?
The last time I stayed home was about 3 weeks ago.
What do you like to do for fun?
For fun, I like to ride my bike and play video games. I also play soccer.
Do you play sports? Which ones?
Yes, I love playing sports. My favorites are soccer and basketball.
What was the hardest thing you had to do today?
The hardest thing I had to do today was a math quiz. It was tricky.
Does your team have a name?
Our team does not have a name, but we call ourselves the Super Strikers.
What is your favorite thing to do on the weekend?
On the weekends, I love going to the park and playing with my friends.
Do you prefer to spend your time inside or outside?
I prefer spending my time outside. I like playing in the sunshine.
Do you like to draw? What kinds of things do you draw?
Yes, I love to draw. I draw all kinds of things like animals and superheroes.
What do you do when you get home from school?
When I get home from school, I usually do my homework and then play with my toys.
Do you like to do puzzles? What about word puzzles, number puzzles?
I enjoy doing puzzles, especially jigsaw puzzles. They are so much fun.
Does your family go on a vacation each year?
My family goes on vacation every year. Last time, we went to the beach.
Where does your family go on vacation?
The most exciting place I have been to in the past year was Disneyland.
Where is the most exciting place you have been in the past year?
The most exciting place I have been to in the past year was Disneyland.
Do you have a bike?
Yes, I have a bike. It's red with cool racing stripes. I like it because it's fast.
What does it look like?
My favorite movie ever is The Incredibles. I love the superheroes in it.
Why do you like it?
The last movie I saw was Toy Story 4, and I loved it because the toys are funny.
What is your favorite movie ever?
My favorite movie ever, The Jungle Book.
What was the last movie you saw?
My favorite, I watched The Jungle Book last weekend, and it was super cool.
Did you like it or not, and why?
It depends on what it is. If it's ice cream, I love it because it's yummy. If it's doing homework, not so much.
What is the best toy that you have?
My best toy is my superhero action figure. I can make them save the day.
Do you like to read?
Yeah, I like reading stories with lots of pictures.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Where the Wild Things Are. I love the wild monsters.
What is your favorite computer game?
I really like playing Minecraft. I can build cool stuff in there.
Do you like to play video games?
Yes, video games are super fun. I get to be a hero in them.
What kind of video game system do you have?
I have a PlayStation, and it's awesome.
What is your favorite game to play on Wii, Xbox, etc.?
On my Xbox, I love playing Fortnite with my friends.
Do you have a portable game system like a PSP or DS? Which one?
I have a Nintendo Switch. It's great for playing games on the go.
Do you like to go out to eat?
Going out to eat is cool. I like pizza and ice cream places.
What is your favorite place to eat?
I really like the burger place with the playground.
Who has the best kids' meal toys right now?
The fast food place with the toy I like the most has the best toys.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music and songs from my favorite movies.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is the one from the movie with the bare necessities, The Jungle Book.
Do you like to dance?
Yeah, I love dancing, especially when my favorite song is playing.
Do you know how to play any instruments? Which ones?
I play the little keyboard and sometimes the drums. It's so much fun.
What is your favorite genre of music?
I like songs with catchy tunes and fun beats, so pop music is my favorite.
What would you do if you made the rules at home?
I would have more ice cream and no bedtime. But also, I would be nice to my little brother.
What is your favorite thing that we do here each week?
My favorite is when we have movie night and eat popcorn.
What is your least favorite thing that we do here each week?
I don't like cleaning my room. That's not fun at all.
What have we done in the past that you would like to see again?
Can we have a fun family picnic in the park again? That was awesome.
What does your dream life look like?
My dream life has lots of adventures, a big treehouse, and a never-ending supply of candy.
What makes you happy?
Playing with my friends, getting ice cream, and getting stickers.
What would your best day be like?
It sounds like a fantastic day. My best day would be going to an amusement park with my family and riding all the rides.
What do you like to do most when you go to a playground?
I love swinging on the swings and going down the slide are classic and enjoyable activities at the playground.
If you opened a store, what would you sell?
I would sell toys, candy, and maybe even ice cream. That would be amazing.
Video, we've compiled simple and relatable conversations that you might encounter in your daily life. These conversations are not only a great way to improve your English but also to understand how English is spoken in real-life situations. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your English skills, you're in the right place. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our new videos and also comment.